Hi guys, so it's Monday. I just got mail. Monday fun day, right? I just got my polyflex trigger guard from Strike Industries. Dope as hell. I'm gonna install it. And on top of that, I got my Red Bull carrier from Fat Max Tactical. So it's gonna be fun. Let's install it. Let's see how they look. Oh shit. Let's install it. Okay, so first thing first, taking the bottom off. So it could be easier for me. Whoop, there you go. Okay, so I got the knife piece roll pin punch set and the little hammer. So I'm using these little bean bags for support. Putting it right here. You're gonna need an Allen wrench tool. The 16, I think. Put it on the side there. So with the Allen wrench, I take this out. He has like a little pin right here. No, it's not that one. Wrong size. I'm using this smaller one. There you go. Okay, here we go. So this one is a twist off. Got it out. I'll put it right here on the side. I mean, I might not need it for this one because this one doesn't have those pins. So it's easy to put on and easy to take off. That's what I liked about it, but let's see how this goes. So now I'm getting the roll pin punch set, the 332. I think it's a little too small. I might use the 1/8. Perfect size. So now I'm gonna hammer it away. Let's see if it's coming out. Nope. So I had to improvise and use two 4x4s, and I put this so I won't scratch this shit. Had to use a big hammer since he has a lot of weight, but finally got it out with 2-3 hits, and I just gotta remove this. So I finally got it out. I had to improvise, get two 2x4s, and use a heavier hammer so I could hit it. Now I just gotta get this out, but it came off. And let's put on the new trigger guard. Okay, finally out. And I finally got this. There you go. This is the mag pull. Trigger guard. So the polyflex trigger guard should be easy to put in. Let's put it in. Okay, got it. There you go. Sweet. I like the way it looks. Okay, so now let's put the red carrier bolt. So now I'm just gonna install the metallic red carrier bolt that I ordered. Looks pretty sick. Look at that. I'm gonna take this off. It's pretty easy. This is the original one they came with. It's gonna go from black to red, metallic red. So just pushing this back, putting it in. It's easy, slide it in. And there you go. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together. Okay. Got it. All that is done. Putting the back buttstock. Ended up taking it off because it was in my way. Okay. So look at that, looks pretty dope. It's the black bolt carrier, the old one. I'm still gonna keep it. No bullets, magazines. So look how it looks now. Badass, red. Dope. And I like how the new trigger guard looks, gives it a kick. Looks fucking sick. So the other thing that I'm gonna get is a new charging handle. I'm deciding if it's gonna be red or black, and that will be it for this. So far looks pretty cool.